Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss lesson number 16 of English grammar has, have, had. Children, we have already covered lesson number 15 and 17. So the same things will be applicable here also. The past and present and singular and plurals. So we have to see that whether we are using singular forms of nouns and where we are using. Is it about past tense or present tense? So firstly, I am taking that why we use has and have. The words has and have tell us what someone owns. What is the meaning of owns? When I show, when somebody shows that this thing belongs to someone particular. Like if I say I have a car, so I am using have here to show that this car belongs to me. If I am talking about she has a beautiful dress, so I am telling about her dress that she has. So I am using she and I am using has. With she I am using has. So in the same way we use has with he, she and it and singular naming words, and we use have with I, we, you, they and plural naming words. When we use more than one person name and when we use only one name, so we only use has. Okay children, so here were few examples of has and have. You have to be particular about that where to use has and where to use have. Simple, they are very simple things. You just have to check that whether the noun which we are using here, especially these nouns like the woman, if we are using the woman men, then we will use have here. Okay, if we are using the men men, then we will use have here. Okay, so you have to think about singulars and plurals, and you have to check the nouns which are using in the beginning of the sentence. Then second concept is of had. We use had with both singular and plural words. We just don't consider any singular and plural here in using had. The only thing we consider in using had is the word had also tells us what someone owns, but it tells us about something that happened before. Here what was happening? They tell us about something that happens now. जो चीज़ अब हुई है, जो अब हमारे सामने हो रही है, उसको बताने के लिए we use has and have. But that something which has already happened before, we will use had here. Like for example, Sheena had fever yesterday. We are talking about yesterday here. That has already happened. Or last year. Or like here in the beginning we are using yesterday. Yesterday Beena had an English test. So you here while using the concept of had, you have to just make sure that whether we are talking about past or present. So here also same things will be applicable. You have to see that whether we are using yesterday, last year, few years back, last month, last day, last Friday, last Saturday. So you have to consider all these things. Okay, so I hope you have no confusion and you will eventually learn how to use has, have and had. Okay, thank you.